Segretti bringing up the tail. We'll say that in fifth place is Merlin's Magic. That's Stu Everhart, then Sean Carroll in Russian Roulette, and CJ Stevens in Speed Base. And we're watching as it certainly brought up again, as we always concerned. Listen.
You find this airplane's worth over $1 million even in last place.
4:10.21, that's the speed from the leader.
Because he came in second to Unlimited Gold yesterday. He's going to be flying September Fury. He broke last year. Always a fighter, always a charger. I expect him to be doing it right up in the front today.
We'll have some completed ports on the far side. As they come around this time, we are going to be coming into the white flag, and the flag is up, and you'll see waves of violently.
Are they still warm?
Yep.
Or we go. He's backed off to 403.65. He's not going to beat it up anymore. He doesn't have to. He's starting to lap the field.
This is Joe Thibodeau's backup airplane. The Sea Fury broke, so no problem. He brought the Mustang instead.